Struggling to find the Options tab in Outlook? Don't worry, it's there, just a little hidden. Let's walk through how to bring it up. At the top of your Outlook window, look for the ribbon toolbar. Here, click on View. This section controls how your emails are displayed and gives you access to different layout preferences. Once you're in the View area, look for the three dots icon. This is the More Options menu. Click on it, and a drop-down will appear with extra settings you don't usually see on the main toolbar. From that drop-down, select Customize. This opens another set of settings where you can control how Outlook behaves and looks. Inside, scroll until you find the section called Mail View. This is where the Options tab lives, giving you more ways to tailor your email experience. Explore the settings, and once you're happy, make sure to click Save. This ensures your changes stick the next time you open Outlook. And that's it. You've just uncovered the Options tab and the customization tools behind it. A quick adjustment like this can make your Outlook experience smoother and more personalized. If you found this guide useful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick Outlook tips.